Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple inventory management system using React. Here you can see here, these are the products. So if you click the sugar, the price would be displayed as 50. This is your total. If I need a banana also here, it should be 20 rupees. It will be added 70. Now if you have to choose as tomato, the price added, it will display the items. Apple, so here is a final total. The simple inventory management system. Do it real. So how to make the system, I'll be explain step by step. So here, this is the source code I will give in my video description. You will be able to get them. So here, first step what you are going to do is we have to install the React application. So how to install the React application? So go to the G drive. Here I'm going to create the separate folder which is a React example. To create a new React example. Here I'm going to install the React along with with. So this is the command. You type npm create with latest. Press enter key. Yes. Project name. You have to type here as a inventory. Here I have to hit task to select the framework I want. You have to get the help of the up and down arrow. I need React. Select the React here. Press enter key. Here if you go TypeScript or JavaScript, I am going to go along with the JavaScript. Select JavaScript. Now here I am going to go to CD. But follow the instruction CD inventory. Press enter key. Go type npm install. Press enter key. Now the npm package is installing. You have to wait until the package installation completed. Install successfully. You have to type cd this inventory. Press enter key. So here there is a now you are in the cd inventory. Sorry, you are already in that package. This inventory. Now I am going to open up the code space dot to open our project. Open our project to VS Code editor. So this is the file structure. So here this is the index.html. This is the main file. So now this file I'm going to first implement the bootstrap. So I'm going to go to here. Here I'm going to type bootstrap. Bootstrap. Bootstrap, you have get started bootstrap. I need to get these two things. I need to the CSS and here click on the download button. Here this is on your CSS. Here this one. Copy this. Paste on it inside the attack. That's it. Save all. Now what I am going to do is here we have updated successfully the CSS style. After that you are going to move into the src folder. There is a file which name is app.jsx. This is the extension of React, which is nothing but the extension of React. So this is the return, starting and close it. Inside the division, this is a division tag. So what you are going to do is I am going to this all things I am going to get rid of this line. Okay, so now here you will be able to, you can write div, the division tag, starting here, close the division tag. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is, I want to, here you will be able to see the code is there. I already mean, if you go to my website, the code is there. I put this under my video description. This is all the source code you can see here. Here you will be able to see here. This is the installation. So here this is the code. First you have to import the React use state, which is a which by you are using the React use state, it will be managing the state. Okay, without, if you are any variables you have to store in this state. So here we will be able to, I just copy this all the things. I'm going to explain, don't worry. So all things. Okay, so we have to, don't worry, so I'm just paste on it. Okay, you can use function or constant. Okay, so you have to write constant. I just put it here. So these all things I don't need them, I have just kept rid of this. Okay, so here you will be able to see, you can see this is the app function. Start, if you are write it here, it's a function app, no problem, function. Okay, so this arrow function, so that I put it this one. No, not a ordinary function, arrow function, so you have tried to use the keyword constant. So here the app, so here you have write it like this. Here these are the const type, these variables, price, total. Okay, these are the functions. Use state we have set 0. Okay, so this is the text area we have write it over here. Now these are the item we have to show on the list box. Okay, we have show on the list box. So I already show the demo. What is the list box? Okay, list box, how to work with this a list box. So the list box item we have listed here, this all the item we have listed and put into this array. This is the sugar, this is a name, this is the values, this is a price, the product name, value, product price. Okay, so what I did here is, here I want to, this is the item handle select item, this is the event of React. Okay, what is the item you are selected item will be set it. Okay, so here what you are going to do is, here I am going to create the small form. This is the heading, this is the, I have make it the unordered list, open and close it. Now here you have to make the simple style over here, list style none, padding, all the border, all things, set it here like this way. It's a border. Okay, after that what I did here is, here item dot map item mean these items, this all things are consist of this item. You have put it here, this one you have put it here, get it, all the items are loaded, get one by one items. Okay, item values, okay, get one by one. After that click event, if it is a click item sugar, the sugar name would be displayed. Okay, so it will be what item you are selected, it will be displayed. That's how we have did it. Okay, so after that here total, what's the item you are selected, appropriate total will be displayed. Total, if when the total is displayed, total to fixed. Okay, this is a decimal point, it will be displayed. That's why it will be shown like this. Okay, it will be shown to the text area. We have to write the text area look more attractive way. Here this one, here it will be calculated and display the text area. Okay, the simple code I already, this code is there, you will be get it at my website, you can have it. Okay, so here I want just save all. Now I'm going to run the application back, new terminal, run the command npm run dev. Select this one, you paste on it here, press enter key. Now you can see here. Now you click on the sugar, it will be displayed. Okay, it's working perfectly well. I hope you guys will understand things well. If you have any more video, you will be able to get in touch with me. So here, if you want to download my source code, in my video description I have attached uh, this one. Okay, this link. Okay, you can find it my twittersfunny.com. There are many videos are there. You will be able to get the fun. Thank you for watching.